This is the HTC Windows Phone 8X, one of the first devices that will come out using Microsoft's Windows Phone 8 operating system. We have a rubberized body, front and back. The phone itself is about 132 by 66 millimeters and only 10.1 millimeters thick. It weighs about 130 grams and the entire front is made of Gorilla Glass 2. The phone has 16 GB of built-in memory and 1 GB of RAM. The camera around the back is 8 megapixels and the one in front is 2.1 megapixels, both of which are capable of recording 1080p high-def video. Around the edges of the device you can see a standard 3.5 mm jack for a headset, the power button, volume controls on the side, a camera shutter release button, and micro USB for charging and PC connectivity. When you turn on the phone, you see a lock screen. Microsoft has redone the Windows Phone lock screen with live alerts and live wallpapers. You can see, for example, missed calls, text messages, and your calendar event. The background can change and can actually update to show you live sports scores or stock updates or anything else of your choosing. When you unlock the phone, the very first thing you'll see is the redesigned start screen. You can now have your tiles in 3 different sizes: small, medium and large. Medium and large will constantly show you live updates for things such as social media streams, messages, alerts, photographs, etc. Swiping to the side brings up a complete list of installed apps, not just the ones pinned to the start screen. One of the neatest new features in Windows Phone 8 is called Children's Corner. This allows you to give your phone to your children to play games on without any fear of them changing your settings, making calls accidentally, or racking up charges on your credit card. You can go into Kids Corner through the settings menu. Here you set it up by choosing which apps and which games will be visible. For example, you can check that and check that. And when you launch Children's Corner, either through here or by swiping to the side from your lock screen, what you'll see is virtually a second user profile where only your pre-approved apps, games, photos and videos can be seen. This in fact lets you give your phone to pretty much anyone to play with without any fear that they will be able to see your photographs, get into your personal accounts, impersonate you, or rack up charges on your credit card. Windows Phone 8 supports new apps called lenses within the camera. You bring them up by pressing on that button, and this one, for example, lets you scan barcodes, QR codes, books or CDs and DVDs by their cover and look them up online. Other lenses available in the Windows Store allow you to add effects to your photos, for example photo filters, and send photos directly to social networks. Within the People Hub we now have rooms. You can set up a room for your family, your close friends or any other group of people. And within each room, any message you send automatically goes to everyone. You can also share photos, contacts and maps with location pins to make sure that people, for example, a party, knows exactly where your venue is and how to get there at what time. Windows Phone 8 also gives us Microsoft Office. This is equivalent to the 2013 version of the suite, which should release soon. You have Word, Excel and PowerPoint functionality, which includes being able to open documents and create them. This ties into your SkyDrive, so any documents saved to SkyDrive will be visible here, and anything you create on the phone will be available on a Windows 8 PC or any other PC running Office 2013 or the Office 2013 web apps. Creating a new document is as simple as tapping on this button. You can create a blank document or work from an existing template. And it's as simple as this, just begin typing. OneNote is now a separate app This also connects to your SkyDrive account, and you can create notes with text, audio snippets, video clips, or photos, and you can copy and paste anything from a web browser or any other app. And this essentially lets you create a collection of research materials for any topic that you might need to look up information on, such as a school project, recipes. The Windows Phone 8X is available in 5 different colors. Price isn't available yet, but it should be in stores in the next few weeks.